There's one boy. His name is Rohan. He hosted a party at his house. He invited Anil, Rohit and Rahul to the party. So bad, he didn't invite me. Rohan's father ordered a large, yummy pizza for Rohan and his friends. The pizza guy cut the pizza into 8 equal slices. Rohan had 1 slice, Anil had 2 slices, Rahul had 3 slices and Rohit had 1 slice. After the party, his father asked him that how many pieces were left, and he was even asked to represent it in fractional form, and we have to help him find that out. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing about fractions. So, what does fraction mean and where is it derived from? So, the word fraction means a part of a whole. And this is basically division. So fractions is basically division. Okay, I'll just darken these dots of the eyes. So the word fraction is derived from the Latin word fractio, and this means to break. So now I'm going to draw a circle. So here's a red circle and I'm going to divide this into 2 parts. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade one part. I'll just increase the size. So I've shaded one part, and now how do we represent fractions? So we represent fractions by a line and 2 numbers. So there should be a number on the top over here and a number on the bottom over here. So what should be the number on the top and what should be the number at the bottom? So the number at the bottom is the number of parts. So the circle is a whole, and the circle is divided, the whole is divided into 2 equal parts. So there are 2 parts, so that will be our bottom number. So I'll write it, and the top number will be the selected parts or the shaded parts. So in this case it's the shaded parts, so the top number will be 1, and this is a fraction. Okay, so we pronounce it as 1/2 or 1/2. So now I'll be drawing a rectangle, a red rectangle, and I'm going to divide this. I'll divide it into 4 parts. So 1 part, no, this is not equal, and the reason why I'm making sure it is equal, oh no, the rectangle went off. Okay, so the reason why I'm making sure that the parts are equal, because if they're not equal, it wouldn't be considered as a fraction. So if I have unequal parts, it wouldn't be considered as a fraction. So the 4th part, yeah, so here we have 4 parts. Okay, so now I'm going to shade. So now I'm going to shade 3 parts. So I'll just shade it in yellow. So this is 1 part shaded. Then I'll shade the other part here. I hope you can see the lines, the red lines which I made for dividing the rectangle. So first we'll make a line to represent it, and by the way, I first want you to try this on your own by pausing the video So I'm expecting you have paused the video and tried this. So I'm going to draw a blue line, and the number on the bottom, as I told, is going to be the number of parts. So in this case there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So number at the bottom will be 4, and the number on the top will be the number of shaded parts, which is 3. And this is our answer. So we pronounce it as 3/4 or 3/4. So let's have a look at one more example. So this time I'm going to draw a square, and I'm going to divide this into 8 parts. Okay, so it is divided into 8 parts. So now I'm going to shade one part over here, the other part over here, then one part over here, and one part over here. So again, I want you to pause the video and try this on your own. Okay, so I'm expecting you have paused the video, and now I'm going to show the answer. So a line, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 parts. So our bottom number is going to be 8, and our top number, which is the number of shaded parts, is going to be 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded. So our top number is going to be 4, and that's our answer. So I'm saying there's a lot, the top number, bottom number, so these have a name. So the top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. Okay, so we have understood how we represent fractions. So now we can help Rohan find out his brain-racking question. So I'm going to draw a circle. As we know, the pizza was divided into 8 parts, and a pizza is a circle. So I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm going to divide it into 8 parts. So one circle, and I'm going to divide it into 8 parts. One, divide it into 2 parts, another 2 parts, so 4 parts in total. So now, as we know, as I told, Rohan, I'll write it in blue. So Rohan ate 1 part. So Rohan ate 1 part. Anil ate 2 parts. Rahul ate 3 parts, and Rohit ate 1 part. So now we are going to shade this clues which we have in the circle, so that we have a clear idea what's going on. So first I'm going to shade Rohan. So he only ate 1 part. Then Anil. So Anil ate 2 parts. Rahul ate 3 parts. And finally Rohit ate 1 part. So now the left portion is this. So there's one portion left, so 1 part left. So I'm going to draw the line because he was asked to represent it fractionally. And there are total number of 8 parts. So our bottom number, which is the denominator, will be 8, and the top number, which is the numerator, is the number of shaded parts or the number of selected parts, whatever. So in this case is this black shaded part. So it is 1. So our answer is 1/8, 1/8, or 1/8. So thank you so much for watching. Share this video with your friends so that they also get the knowledge. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.